Hello, here we are, the mobile home makeover in progress. The roof is now finished, 100%. I was gonna have them change those silver vents up top there because that's not what we agreed on. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave them. Looks pretty good. I'm just in a little shock. There was something different. I ended up getting that stack painted, except for the top, but it looks okay. This is the back side here. Now my next chore is to chop that tree down there. Get rid of that in between the one shed and the house. That's coming. Most importantly, did the chickens survive this ordeal? Chickens, you all right? Did you make it, guys? How about you, Barbie? Did you make it? Did you make it, Barbie? Tell me, Barbie. What's going on? Are you okay? Are you guys okay? They're okay. There's their little makeover. I have a video I have to put together about making that and the ladder. I have some pictorials of my brother and I building this chicken coop I may end up throwing in there. But here's the little hen house I built them. Like I said, I got a video, but it's so long. Oh, got a few eggs there. Now they're starting to lay again. They were really stressed out over the building. Okay, let's go to. And before we go up front, we have to see little Mr. Piggy. Hey, my pig. Hey, what's going on? What's going on, my pig? What you doing? Oh yeah, you got a bad habit. I just saw you started trying to chew on that chicken wire there. It's starting to get a little too big for. It's actually a she. Getting a little too big for her britches. Okay, I'm going in. Front come out pretty nice. I guess there's not a whole lot to look at, except for they did end up putting a really nice ridge vent in. And those were the caps I wanted. Those black ones there. Did a real nice job above the windows there. Unfortunately, I might have to rip those out one day here. And there's just a view that it is done. Sorry about that shaky. So there you have it. Not very exciting. Trying to get it zoomed out. And there she is. She's gonna look a whole lot different come this time next year. Okay, have a beautiful day. There she is from the road. I'm out here at my mailbox. That's what I overlook. See it from my house. It's absolutely gorgeous out here.